Good morning. Welcome to IKM Moratic Education Channel. Today we are going to discuss about an important topic which is useful in competitive exams, academic education examination point of view, and this is also useful at job place. That is performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is a regular review of an employee's job performance and overall contribution to the organization. This is conducted annually, half yearly, or quarterly to evaluate an employee's performance, skills, ability, achievement, growth or deficiency, etc. When the management pays salaries and wages to the employees, individuals, they want to know they are worth it or not, what they are doing, and what are their activities. So, in simple words, it is a checking of performance of an employee. So, how these people are going to check this? There are certain steps involved in this. So, we discuss about the procedure of performance appraisal. First, they are going to set the standards. They set the targets or estimation, and they intimate this to the employees. These are the standards, these are the targets set for you. And after this, they assess the work done by them, the performance done by them. And they are going to compare this actual performance with the standards set by them. So, for example, mostly in production department and in marketing or sales department, they set the estimation and target. They ask the production people that they have to produce 10,000 units of goods this month, and they ask salespeople to have a turnover or sale of 10 lakhs this month. So these are the targets or estimate is given to the employees. So after the completion of 1 month, they assess the performance with the standard set by them. So basing on this, if the marketing people or any employee is done good, he has reached the target and he did more than the target set for him. So they are going to reward him to motivate him to do more work. And if the employee is lacking behind, they know why he is lacking behind. On the basis of this, they provide training and development program to improve his skill and increase the productivity, which is helpful for the organization. They also take feedback from the employees. They communicate with the employees why he is lacking behind, whether the targets set by them are higher or he is lacking skills or knowledge to achieve the target. And they also ask whether demand for the product is less or any problem in quality and pricing. So all this communication with the employee is going to help the organization to be more competitive and get the goal of the organization to be achieved, to earn the more profit, to be market leader. So this feedback and communication help not only for the employees, but it is also helpful for the organization. So these are somewhat some brief explanation of performance appraisal. So next we discuss about methods of performance appraisal. There are so many ways an organization can conduct performance appraisal, as there are so many methods and strategies are available. But broadly we can classify this performance appraisal methods into two categories. One is traditional method and second one is modern method. In traditional method, emphasis is or importance given to the rating of employees' personality traits like sincerity, punctuality, leadership, etc. So in traditional method, importance is given for the personality traits, whereas in modern method, importance is given for the evaluation of work results. So work result is important in modern methods. They look for the job performance, productivity level, etc. So there are so many methods available in the traditional method. So we discuss somewhat important points in our next class. And for modern method also we have separate class, and we discuss briefly about modern and traditional methods. So this is somewhat a small briefing of performance appraisal and methods of performance appraisal. So we will meet in next class. Thank you.